Every player got an opportunity to express himself for nearly 10 days. And then we tried different combination. It's good. I feel the boys are doing a great work. And we are very happy with the way we took care of the boys in preparing the GOA team for Santosh Nationals. There is nothing weak in football. Football is unpredictable. You see that word casualness, carelessness, overconfidence comes into you and then you finish. You see, the best of things are lost because of the overconfidence, like the three things I've said. I hope they go and play well.
So what's the aim on qualifying for that?
Now at the moment, we have to think only about going there, winning and qualifying for the proper Santosh Nationals.
So you got also, what do you mean to your team is blend of youth and experience?
4, that is Matthew, Peter, who have been here. Now there is also McRoy, there is also Victorino. Let's see how things work out, but I've got a blend of experience and youth.
टीम बरे आहे पार्टी सगळे कोण आयली की बी कोण गेले पण बरे आहे टीम सो दिसतले जिखतायच मग पार्टी
हांव ह्या फावटी फर्स्ट टायम हांव हे संतोष ट्रॉफी खेळटा आनी आमची टीम ह्या वर्सा खूब बरी म्हणजे खूब हार्डवर्क करून अशी बरें खेळटा आनी कोचूय आमकां खूब सपोर्ट करता.
होच संदेश तुमी सुरवातेक ताणयता कायम सारकी आमी जाय सो